Daily personal trainer guided workouts are a luxury that most of us can't afford. For a single payment price of a little under $2,000, however, the AEKE K1 system guides users through a variety of workouts that are assigned and monitored by an AI coach. Currently the subject of a Kickstarter campaign, the K1 features a vertical 43-inch 4K touchscreen display with an integrated surround sound audio system. That screen is connected to an electronic base module, which is in turn linked to a folding floor platform. An included barbell and set of hand stirrups are cable connected to a 750-watt electric motor in the base unit, which provides up to 220 pounds of resistance that can be adjusted in 1-pound increments. Other included accessories include a heart rate monitoring armband and an ankle belt for tracking the position of the lower body. The K1 starts by taking the user through an initial fitness assessment. Utilizing an integrated depth sensing camera, 8-electrode body fat scale and other sensors, the system assesses the person's cardiovascular endurance, movement patterns, muscle strength, posture, flexibility, and body composition. With this data and other personal information, such as fitness goals, in mind, the K1's AI algorithms proceed to develop a workout plan that's tailored to the individual. Taught by actual human fitness coaches, the AI draws from over 140 available classes, such as Pilates, cardio boxing, weightlifting and yoga, which include a total of over 280 different body movements. As the user performs those movements, the K1 visually tracks their body position at 7 different skeletal points. Doing so allows it to count repetitions, and to provide real-time audio-visual corrective feedback if their form is incorrect. At the end of each workout, the user is provided with a performance report which covers metrics like duration, calories burned, reps, sets, and training areas targeted. It also tracks the person's progress, and tells them which areas will need to be addressed in future workouts. The machine itself reportedly weighs 170 pounds and accepts a maximum user weight of 772 pounds. It can be rolled from place to place on a set of built-in rubber wheels. Assuming the AEKE K1 reaches production, a pledge of $1,998 will get you a setup of your own. No subscription is required. The planned retail price is $3,699.